Haya. Hapa iko sawa. Ama tu hapa mbali, hapa mbele hapa. Hapa iko sawa. Hapa. Mbele iko. Tuangalie kama mbele iko clean. Mbele haya duara. Tukadira dash wako na ndio. Sasa unajua kama ndio tunataka kwa maana. Yeah. Uma make him wash. Now you are ready? Not yet. Lakini ukisimama hivyo bro si huko kwa shot. Ama mnataka aje?
Thursday next week, His Excellency the President, President William Ruto, will be doing the official flagging off of the first car at exactly 12:30 p.m. from KICC. And so today we have taken time to pretty much assess the route, the path, the course that the cars will be using. We started off this journey at KICC to check the starting point. We are assured that it will be ready for that. We have we have taken the route all the way from Kasarani to Naivasha, the service park. And then from the service park, we have taken time to look at a number of the key spaces. We have particularly spent a lot of time in the Hell's Gate ecosystem. Hell's Gate is the last super stage, power stage, the last competitive stage. And we have also integrated a lot of activities at Hell's Gate this time. We are perfectly on track. We are on track to have a successful event. And I want to really applaud our team that is executing this program. As you can see, we are very hands-on. It is all hands on deck. The whole team is involved. And then so absolutely no reason, no cause for concern. We are going to have a successful rally. Asking all the fans, all the spectators, number one, please obey the traffic rules that we have put in place. We have a very good traffic plan this time to avoid the traffic snarl-ups and the frustrations that has encumbered this rally previously. You want to have a great experience? Please follow the traffic rules. Don't drink and drive. And we assure you that the WRC Safari Rally 2024 is going to be a roaring success and is going to be a great fun experience. This event is integrated in the spirit of the whole of government approach to service delivery. So the Ministry of Youth Affairs, Creative Economy is leading the event, but we are working closely with the Interior on security, on safety, on traffic control, on immigration. We are working with the Ministry of Trade to ensure that Kenya reaps the full economic benefits of this mega global event here. We are working with the Ministry of Tourism and Wildlife to make sure that our sports tourism adds great zest and value to tourism generally as a key economic driver in this country. We want every segment of our population to benefit from this event. And last year we had the Hustler Bazaar. The Hustler Bazaar is a special space where our local traders can do some business, they can make some money, and we want our locals to make money out of these events. We are making effort to make sure that the youth of Nakuru County, alongside the youth from other parts of Kenya, have an opportunity to be part of this experience. And that process is going on to identify as many youth as possible that we can involve in this whole event.
Traffic has been a problem during all the times of the past rallies, but this time now we have organized and we have enough team of traffic as per your question. In each and every sector, we have maybe like 10 officers who will be controlling traffic. That is especially the entrance of the Hell's Gate. We have already organized with the KWS because the entrance was small, but for now they have agreed to remove the barrier which was causing a lot of scenario. At the Moi South, we had vendors who are selling alcohol in their vehicles. This time round, we have organized with the county government, there will be no vending along that road. From Nairobi to Pipeline, we have organized with our traffic officers, there will be no parking alongside the road. And if you are caught, we have already organized the breakdowns. We shall pull you and we take action against you.
The Safari Rally has a total of 18 stages. There are 9 venues repeated twice, as you know, and we cover about 350 kilometers. So in the last sort of 1 month, we have been focusing on the key things that make the Safari Rally what it is. One is the routes: Malewa, Loldia, Soisambu, Elementaita, Kedong, and eventually we end up in Hell's Gate. So in terms of preparedness for this rally, we have all the documentation prepared. We have done the questionnaires for medical. We've done the questionnaires for the safety plans. We have done the media safety books. We are ready for the rally. We have done the insurance. That is ready. We have all the licenses from KCAA. Remember, we have a few aircraft flying in this area. We have a Beechcraft aircraft that flies over every stage. That is the one that basically acts as a repeater. When the cars are passing, they have video and sound. That sound goes to the Beechcraft. The Beechcraft beams it to the service park.